Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Started to do the unboxing video and was having trouble with my camera, but here are the two C706s. The first release was the yellow one, and then the second one was the red one. I like the red one a little bit better, but they are both beautiful cars. I was only able to find one of the yellow ones. And next is the Tesla Model X in the second release. Very, very good looking car. Really like these. I've seen a few of them on the road. I have not seen one in that color yet. Red Edition, Target exclusive. The 68 Chevy Nova. Ford GT Race. Very nice car. '17 ZL1. This is a very nice casting. I'm not sure if there's going to be any recolors on this one or not. I don't know if I picked up any other of these Acuras. Might be some of my very first 62 Chevy pickup truck. I actually love these rims. This is a very nice truck. I have another one that I might do a custom on. Another red edition, Target exclusive, 15 Dodge Charger SRT. Another Camaro. I don't think I'm going to open this one up. I'm going to keep this one boxed. Very good card. Probably one of the better ones I've seen. Has a little bit of damage in the corner, but it's still alright. 16 Camaro SS. Very nice. I am going to be working on a Chevy dealership too. First I got to start on the Tesla one. I haven't really done too much progress with the city. El Camino. This one actually has those rims too. I think these might be a little bit different ones. Currently Toys R Us has a mail-in. I believe some of these might actually work. And we'll do a separate video on that in a few days. Here is the 2013 Hot Wheels Chevy Camaro Special Edition. I believe the first release of this was actually at the auto show. Not 100% sure about that. A beautiful car. Really like the orange color. It's different. Ford GT. is actually a nicer release than the previous one. There's another ZL1. I just realized this car was right-hand drive. Oh man, I like the color scheme on this one. Three more ZL1s, four more ZL1s. Oh, this one actually is a C6. Oh well, I was gonna keep one boxed. Oh, here's the treasure hunt for L case. A little ugly thing, whatever. It's pretty cool. This one actually glows. Nope. Never mind, it does not glow. That would have been cool if it did. Here's another ZL1. Another red edition. I'm gonna make a cool car out of that one. If I have any cool spare wheels laying around. Ooh, 81 Camaro. This one I need to leave for my next video. I'm gonna have to put that to the side somewhere. Another Ford GT. And lastly, this ugly thing here. Really wish this was a Super. Anyway, so I got to the pegs a little bit late at this store. And unfortunately, a local scalper, as we would say, he beat me to the pegs to that store, and nothing you could do about it, but it really sucks this guy's running around. He has his Toys R Us where he is able to bribe people into saving him stuff. Anyway, there it is. Huge unboxing video. I mean, it could have been bigger. I have more cars, but I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys later. Bye-bye.